I'm Kimberly Solis, and welcome to my math tutorial video. For this video, I'm going to discuss the conic section. History of conic section. During the classical Greek period around 600 to 300 BC, conic sections were discovered. Apollonius produced an eight-volume work at the beginning of the Alexandrian period. The broad applicability of conics became apparent in early 17th century. A conic section, or simply conic, is a curve formed when a plane intersects a right circular cone or double-napped cone. The, the resulting curves are hyperbola, circle, ellipse, and parabola. The degenerate conic is the result when the plane does not pass through the vertex. A second-degree equation in x and y represented by a conic ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0 has a discriminant b squared minus 4ac, which can be utilized in determining the type of conic. If the discriminant is equal to 0, then it is parabola, and if the discriminant is greater than 0, then it is hyperbola. And if the discriminant is less than 0 and neither b is not equal to 0 or a is not equal to c, then it is ellipse. And if the discriminant is less than 0 and b is equal to 0 and a is equal to c, then it is a circle. b is equal to, remember, if b is equal to 0, axis of the conic is horizontal or vertical. And if b is not equal to 0, the axes are neither horizontal or vertical. We have an example here. Identify what type of conic is the given. 2x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. And graph. Using the equation ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0, we identify what is the a, b, and c. So the a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 1. Then substitute it in b squared minus 4ac to determine what type of conic it is. So 0 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1 is equal to negative 8. And it is um, less than 0 and the a is not equal to c, so it is ellipse. Then for us to graph it, we by completing the square. And then we got the result a squared is equal to x I 6 over 2 and a is equal to square root of 3 and b squared is equal to 6 and b is equal to square root of 6. And then we plot it in the graph. And yeah. So next example, classify the conic given by 9x squared minus 4y squared minus 18x plus 16y minus 43 is equal to 0 and graph. So we identify the A, B, and C. So the A is equal to 9, B is equal to 0, C is equal to negative 4. Then we substitute it in the B squared minus 4AC. Then 0 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 4 is equal to 16, and it is greater than 0, then it is hyperbola. But to graph by completing the square, and then we got the result. H is equal to 1, K is equal to 2, A squared is equal to 9, A is equal to 3, B squared is equal to 4, and B is equal to 2. Then we plot it for us in the graph. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something from this video.